Hello students, today we are going to work with comparative adjective, okay? Spelling rules. So, use the comparative adjective to compare to people, places, things, or ideas. Example, your book is more interesting than mine. You compare your book with my book. Okay, so you need to know first you have short adjective and long adjective. For example, when you have short, you need to add er to one syllable adjective. If the adjective ends in e, you need to add only r. For example, light is adjective short or long? Light is short because only has one syllable, light. So you need to add at the end of the word er. And this is the comparative form for light, lighter. Loose is a short adjective. Only two need to add at the end of the word are, looser. If the adjective ends in a consonant vowel, consonant sequence, double the final consonant before adding er. For example, hot, H-O-T. So, consonant, vowel, consonant. So, you need to double the last consonant, T. So, the comparative form for hot is hotter. Okay? For more adjectives that end in y, change the y to I and add er. For example, pretty, prettier. Okay? You need to substitute y for I. Busy, busier. Okay? To make the comparative form of most adjectives that have more than two syllables, use more or less before the adjective. For example, affordable. Affordable is short or long adjective? Long. Why? Because it has more than one syllable. Affordable. Right? So, you don't need to add er. Only put more or less before the adjective. For example, more affordable. Convenient. Convenient is a long adjective too. Maybe less convenient or more convenient. Okay? Unaffordable, more affordable, or less affordable. And you have irregular forms too. There are also regular forms for the adjective. For good, better. Bad, worse. So, this is the rules for adjective. Okay? Only the compare form is for adjective. Okay? Not nouns, not verbs. Only adjective. Okay? And you have here a reference chart. In this reference chart, you have spelling rules again. And in these parts that you have here is important. Use than after the adjective when you compare to people, places, or things in a sentence. For example, that suit is nicer than the one I'm wearing. These gloves are more expensive than the other pair. Okay? So, you have this exercise for today. This is the only exercise. In exercise A, write the opposite of each comparative adjective. For example, smaller, larger. Okay? And you have to do number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the other exercise, that is the last for today, complete each conversation with comparative adjective. Use than if necessary. Okay? And you have number 1, don't take that night gone to Hawaii. Yes, you need to put the comparative form for hat. It is here, taste something, and the comparative for lights. Okay? And you put down if necessary. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can tell me on the chat. Okay, so this is only for today. Bye.